Let's examine the analysis command if contains and does not contain then command. So here it is. Now this is a very simplistic spell, and the reason why it's so simple is because the idea here is to just demonstrate the functionality of this particular analysis command, and to do so in a way that hopefully makes it a little bit easier to understand. So we're going to start with a command called CLS. Now that's clear screen, and so that'll clear our emulated computer screen window. Then we're going to put the word hello into wordbox1. Wordbox1, of course, being a user input variable. Here's the analysis command. If wordbox1 contains hello and does not contain goodbye, then print it's there. And if. Notice how all analysis commands, including if contains and does not contain then, must be ended with a -- and if. Now after that we print we are finished, and the reason why we're printing we are finished is just so that we have a visual cue that the spell was successfully cast. So let's go ahead and cast this spell and see what happens. So we just clicked on the cast button, the emulated computer screen window is being cleared. We should see the results of the analysis right now. Okay, it's printing, it's there, and then it prints, we are finished. So why is it's there being triggered, right? Why is this particular piece of code within the analysis command being triggered? So the reason why is because we put hello into wordbox1. If wordbox1 contains hello and does not contain goodbye, then print it's there. So if you'll notice here, wordbox1 simply contains hello, okay, and it does not contain goodbye. That's why the analysis command was triggered. Now, what if we add a few more words here? What if we add in good morning? Now let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and, well, let's do one quick thing first, actually. Let's just go ahead and copy this for a second. Let's cast the CLS command just to clear this for a moment. It should be cleared, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste back in the original code there. The reason I just did that is so that we have a fresh view of what the analysis command actually outputs without potentially confusing whatever gets output this time with what might have been output last time, because as you'll see in a moment, it's probably going to give us the exact same result. So let's go ahead and cast this spell. So we're clearing the emulated computer screen window, of course, which we just did, and now we're going to see the results of the analysis. It's saying it's there, and we are finished. So why was the analysis command triggered? Well, if wordbox1 contains hello and does not contain goodbye, then print it's there. So needless to say, the word, or rather the user input variable wordbox1 contains hello, good morning. It doesn't contain goodbye. So as a result, the analysis command was triggered. Now, what if we were to now add the word goodbye? All right, let's see what happens. So let's go ahead and, this time we can go ahead and click on cast. We're going to clear the emulated computer screen window, and the data will be placed into wordbox1, and okay, there, the analysis command was just triggered, and it says we are finished. But notice how this time the if contains and does not contain then command was not actually triggered. Why was that analysis command not triggered this time? Well, wordbox1 contains hello, good morning, and then goodbye. Notice how the analysis command itself, though, is if wordbox1 contains hello and does not contain goodbye, then print it's there. Well, in this instance, the word goodbye is actually contained within wordbox1, and so as a result, this is no longer true, right? So if wordbox1 contains hello, okay, yes, it contains hello, and does not contain goodbye. Okay, does not contain goodbye. So, oh, but wait a minute, there's goodbye. It contains it. So this is no longer true. Does that make sense? So that's why print it's there was no longer triggered. Now, watch this. What if we were to simply, here, this will be a better example. What if we were to capitalize the letter G in goodbye? Okay, so let's go ahead and cast this spell again. So we'll click on the cast button. We'll see the emulated computer screen window be cleared. The analysis will be performed, and now it's saying it's there. And then it says we are finished. So wait a minute. Hello, good morning, goodbye is being put into word box 1. So the analysis command says if word box 1 contains hello and does not contain goodbye, then print it's there. So what's going on? Because goodbye is still there. Well, here's the difference. Notice how in the analysis command, the word goodbye is all lowercase. However, what we put into word box 1 contains a capitalized goodbye. See, so it's the first letter of the word goodbye is being capitalized. So what this tells us is that this particular analysis command, in fact, all the analysis commands are case sensitive. So goodbye with a capital letter G is not the same as goodbye with a lowercase g. That's why when we performed this analysis, it triggered the printing of it's there, because lowercase goodbye is not the same as capitalized G goodbye, and so it's true. Word box 1 contains hello, it does, yes, and does not contain goodbye. Well, notice, it doesn't contain goodbye that's all lowercase. It contains a goodbye that has a capitalized G. So as a result, the analysis is triggered, print it's there gets printed. We end, of course, all analysis commands with dash dash and if, and then finally we print we are finished. So hopefully this begins to give you a better understanding of how the if contains and does not contain then command works, and you can start putting analysis commands such as this one to use in your spells. Thanks for watching. Now please subscribe to our channel.